Can Chiliz really pump 300% through the all-time high? If this sounds interesting for you, give me a couple of minutes. We will talk and discuss this in this video. Also, we will talk about the next Fibonacci retracement levels. We will talk about the next key resistance levels, also about the support levels. So give me a couple of minutes and we will deep dive. Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. I hope you're doing good. Let's start directly into this content. But before we start, if you're new on my channel, you haven't already subscribed yet, go and click on the subscribe button. Also activate the notification bell and you will get every time a notification if I upload a new video. Let's talk about Chiliz. Can Chiliz really pump 300%? Probably yes, but the question is when? So for this, let's zoom in a little bit, like this. So I hope you can clearly see what I will show you next. In my last video about Chiliz, that is really a couple of days, weeks ago, I draw this Fibonacci retracement tool. So from this high to this low. Here is the golden pocket. It takes really a couple of days and weeks till Chiliz came to this golden pocket, what I want to see. Right now is the question, can Chiliz really break through this level? Or will Chiliz again retest the EMA ribbons, also this VWAP, also the moving average, the blue line that comes in, all around this 382 Fibonacci level? That is the big question. So right now we have a couple of scenarios. First, let's start with the bearish one, because you see the price continues to make higher prices, but the RSI is weaker and it's getting lower. So that is always a sign of weakness. I tell you this every time. Bullish or bearish divergence mostly play out sooner or later. And here you have a clear divergence. So that means right now this is a sign of weakness, and you have to expect, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but expect that the price will go down a little bit lower. Maybe not to this low point, but maybe to this point from the EMA ribbons, where here comes a lot of support in. Or hopefully this should be support. So that is a bearish scenario. The price comes down to this level. Maybe I draw it again. My painting skills are still pretty good. So the price comes down to this level, retest it, and then boom, pump through it, and also pump to the 7x6 Fibonacci level. So that is scenario one. The next scenario is a very bullish one. The price or this daily candle will close above the golden pocket, and with the next couple of days the price will retest or test the 7x6 Fibonacci level, come down again to retest the golden pocket, and then finally break through it and try to retest this previous high here at this point. So that is the very bullish one. The very bearish one is, of course, the price will go down to zero and below. That is always the very, very bearish scenario. No, just kidding. It is also pretty likely that the price maybe comes down to this support area, and retest it again. In my opinion, the more likely scenario is, because of the bearish divergence, that the price will come down to this level at 0.1798 or a little bit below, maybe to 0.1695, retest this level, and then make a next move to the upside. That is just my humble opinion. As always, this is no financial advice, and I'm no financial advisor. Just my humble opinion. So if we zoom out again and see what are the next resistance areas. So first, of course, right now, this one is a resistance area where it is here at this golden pocket. The next one would be here at, well, let's say like this. This is, of course, a resistance area. And if Chiliz can break through every of these walls, the next one would be here and then at this level. So, you see, this is still a lot to go, but it is not impossible. So if we look at the fixed range volume profile, in this area, you see, again, this is right now resistance. And a important point why Chiliz cannot break through this wall easily. This is the high point from this point of control. It is between these two blue lines, and the red line is the point of control. So it already broke through it. That is good. But this is the last wall from this fixed range volume profile. So write me in the comments, what do you think about Chiliz? Do you trade it? Do you hold it? So, and if you want to trade, go in the description, check out my links with a mega bonus of $11,600 below for BitGet, for FIMEX, for MEXC, and for OKX. So you can claim up your bonus depending on your initial deposit. There are some deposit requirements, so check this out. And if you haven't already subscribed, then click on the subscribe button. Also give me a like. I would really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And also check out my other social media accounts. With that being said, as always, this is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your research and never ever trust anybody except yourself, because it's your money. See you next one. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Namaste. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.